Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're unraveling the mystery behind Google account security codes. Stay tuned to fortify your digital life. Hello tech enthusiast. Your Google account contains a treasure trove of personal information, from emails to photos, and even your location history. It's crucial to keep it under lock and key. But how? The answer is Google Security Verification Codes. Let's dive into what these codes are and how you can use them to add an extra layer of security to your account. Google Security Verification Codes, also known as two-way step verification codes, are part of an extra layer of security for your Google account. Whenever you sign in, you not only need a password but also a unique code that can be received in various ways. Let's see how it works. First things first, you need to enable two-step verification. Here's how. Go to your Google account settings, then tap on security. Scroll down until you find two-step verification. Scroll down and turn on two-step verification. And that's it. This is how you can turn on the security code. Securing your Google account with verification codes is like adding a high-tech lock to your digital life. It's a step you can't afford to skip. For more tech safety tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching our channel. Stay secure and we'll see you in the next video.